Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today, we've got a game changer for you, the Cordless Tube Belt Sander, a tool that's not your typical toothbrush, but it sure does wonders in those hard-to-reach places. This versatile gadget isn't just for sanding, it excels at satin finishing too, making it perfect for roughing up metal surfaces. With a continuously adjustable belt speed, ranging from 200 to 700 meters per minute, you've got precise control at your fingertips. The sander's angle of inclination goes up to 60 degrees, ensuring you can tackle any project with ease. Worried about the mess? Fear not. This tool can team up with your vacuum cleaner for a clean workspace, powered by a 2.6 ampere-hour battery, weighing in at just 900 grams, and a quick hour recharge time. This sander is as convenient as it gets. The complete battery and charger kit can be yours for just $275. In the vast fields of the US, where the average farm size hits around 180.5 hectares, staying updated on the latest agri-tech is key. Today, we've got a game changer that's not just a fence builder's best friend, but a versatile tool that's making waves in the agricultural scene. Introducing the ultimate boundary marking tool. This gadget isn't just for crimping, it's a pruning powerhouse too. With its electric drive and universal jaws, it's a multitasking marvel. Compatible with 2.5 to 5 millimeter crimp barrels, it is designed to make your agricultural tasks a breeze. What's more, it's light enough for single-handed use, giving you the flexibility you need in the field. If you've ever lugged around those hefty porcelain stoneware tiles, you know the struggle. These 1 meter by 1 meter giants, weighing up to a whopping 20 kilograms, can be a real workout. But we've got a game-changing solution for you, a suction cup carrier that's an absolute lifesaver. This 8 suction cup marvel boasts a robust 200 kilogram load capacity, turning heavy lifting into a breeze. The special rubber ensures a mark-free experience, and with easy pressure adjustments, you're in full control. Tackling tricky shapes? No problem. Double handles can be added for that extra precision, allowing 4 hands to make light work. Priced at around $2,000, this investment in efficiency is a small price to pay for a smoother, faster tile experience. Let's dive into the world of innovation with a multi-tool that's turning heads. Now, I must warn you, the price tag is a bit steep at $864, but trust me, it's worth every penny. This game-changing device is your go-to for woodworking, metalwork, drywall, tiles, PVC, and more. Designed with ingenuity in mind, it allows you to curate your collection of blades and sanding discs, giving you the flexibility to tackle any project. The brushless motor hits speeds of up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, streamlining tasks like PVC pipe cutting, door installation, and tile removal effortlessly. With a recommended 4 ampere-hour battery, operable in temperatures ranging from 60 to -17 degrees Celsius, this tool is a true all-weather companion. Here we have Ultimate Cable Compatibility Wizard. This device has simplified the life of electricians, boasting compatibility with cables ranging from 18 to 50 millimeters in inner diameter. It allows seamless work with conduits, junction boxes, sockets, and pipes ranging from 4 to 200 millimeters in diameter. Worried about bends, damages, or deformations? The duct is pre-routed with air and checked with a special wire, ensuring a smooth workflow. Need to hit the road? No problem. Tools and accessories can be neatly stored in a suitcase that effortlessly fits in the trunk of your car. This level of convenience comes with a price $1,700 to be exact. The fastest marking system on the market, the Need for Speed solution you've been waiting for. Clocking in at an impressive 500 meters in just 50 minutes, this game changer leaves the competition in the dust, a whopping 40% faster. And the best part? It comes at an unbeatable price of $250, a steal compared to similar products. The spray width is fully adjustable from 50 to 120 millimeters, offering precision and versatility. With the recommended paint, some vehicles can drive over the marked area after just an hour, while heavy traffic can resume after a day. With one 750 milliliter can of paint covering 90 meters, this system not only saves time, but also resources. And here's a bonus. There's a tape mode for repairs or marking warehouse routes. If you felt the sting of rising firewood prices, especially in countries like Bulgaria, where a cubic meter is going for $110 to $160, we've got a solution to keep you warm without breaking the bank. With the Polish authorities even considering distributing smoke masks due to the need for burning garbage for heating, it's time to consider an efficient alternative. Introducing a cast iron wood splitter priced at $120 per Priscilla stands by its quality, offering a 2-year warranty and the promise of a lifetime of service. Crafted with durability in mind, this tool is a winter essential. With a maximum log length of 33 centimeters and a weight of just 4.4 kilograms, it's both powerful and portable. Ever felt the need to conquer your house's mini universe? The roof? Well, we've got just the tool for you, inspired by mountain goats and designed for safety and convenience. Introducing the Mountain Goat-inspired ladder, your ticket to easy rooftop navigation, even on slopes up to 45 degrees. The brilliance lies in its simplicity, 1.2 or 1.8 meter sections with a hook, capable of withstanding a max load of 159 kilograms, yet surprisingly lightweight. One model weighs just over 7 kilograms. After your rooftop adventure, disassemble it, toss it in the bag, and pop it in your trunk. It's that portable. Priced at $670 for the 7.2 meter deluxe set, this ladder is your gateway to rooftop escapades without compromising safety. Safety first, DIY enthusiasts. Say hello to the grabbers that prioritize your well-being by keeping your hands at a safe distance from the cutting tool. These grabbers go the extra mile, securely holding workpieces while ensuring they stay scratch-free. How? Thanks to the spring-loaded heel and textured insert made of TPE, a polymer often used in car window seals and razor handles. The 20cm model, weighing just 450 grams, is your go-to tool for safety and efficiency, priced at an affordable $11. The combination of a vibrant yellow body and a brown handle not only adds a touch of style, but also ensures easy spotting on store shelves or in your toolbox. Tired of uneven surfaces making ladder work a balancing act? We've got the game-changing solution that not only enhances stability, but prioritizes your safety. Introducing the ultimate ladder accessory, a versatile package featuring an adjustable platform, a step, and a mini tool table, all in one. Say goodbye to the hassle of propping up uneven legs with random items. This innovation ensures a stable foundation, minimizing the risk of falls, especially crucial when considering the staggering 37 million falls worldwide annually that require medical attention. With a maximum load capacity adjustable up to 227 kilograms, non-slip rubber, and polypropylene inserts, this ladder accessory is your go-to for both safety and efficiency. Priced at just $125, it's a small investment for a giant leap in safety. If you've ever wished for an easier way to handle and join pipes, your solution has arrived in the form of an innovative workhorse, crafted by a pipeline contractor's genius. Imagine a hybrid between a garden wheelbarrow and a jack. This workhorse makes moving and joining pipes a breeze. Featuring hook-shaped grips, it allows you to align pipes at a comfortable height, ranging from 521 to 965 millimeters. Weighing in at 30 kilograms, this powerhouse can effortlessly move up to 136 kilograms, making teamwork more efficient and less strenuous. Equipped with grips boasting rollers, you'll experience smoother pipe handling than ever before. Priced at $768 per piece, this workhorse is a smart investment for those looking to boost productivity on the pipeline.